Welcome back now, crew. Welcome back. So today's video is about YouTube must-haves. You want to start a YouTube channel, there's one thing that you absolutely need, and that is a light. You cannot have a YouTube channel with poor lighting. So I'm going to show you my new ring light. It's from Tektronix. And I think it's super cool, and by the end of the video, I think you guys will like it as well. So let's dive on in. So I have the tripod stand. I'll put that down. You guys! I'm so excited. You guys know when I get new things, you guys, when I get new things, I'm just happy. I'm excited. So I might start singing, all of that good stuff, all of it. So here is the booklet. It does come with instructions and it shows you how to put it together and things like that. But I am also going to show you how to put it together. And I'm also going to show you how I set up for a YouTube video. So on the screen, you do see the overview. I took that from the website. So it shows you how tall the unit gets. It shows you that there's two, not one, but two phone holders, which I think is super, super cool. And I will be demonstrating that as well. So to the left, you have the overview of everything that's in the kit, what you're going to get. But then also on the screen, you see me opening and doing the unboxing. So here are the two phone holders. And then you also get a remote, you guys. And it's both Android and iPhone compatible. So that's super, super cool. Okay, so here is a tripod stand. Let's get it on out the box. So it was in a box, and then it's in another box, and now it's in a bag. So they really, really wrapped this thing good. So here is a cute little handle on the back. I think this is so cute, you guys. This is so cute. So let's take that out of the bag. It has a cute little drawstring right here. I love it, you guys. I'm just really loving it so far. So, okay, so it was in a box, inside of a box, and then it was in a bag, inside of a bag. My goodness. So let's just take this last bag off. And let's look at the tripod stand. What I think is cool is you could use the tripod with or without the ring light. I'm going to demonstrate today with the ring light, but obviously if you did not need a light, you were in an outside setting or something like that, obviously you know you can still use a tripod without the light. So let's look at the legs real quick. It says that this thing can get up to 4 feet or actually over 4 feet tall. So I think that's super cool. So let's just look at the legs. There are 3 different sections, and I can't put the whole thing in the screen, but you guys can kind of visualize what's happening. You see these legs getting longer. You see them getting longer. So boom, there's 3 sections, and you just extend them or bring them in to make them shorter again. And pretty much that is it. You would do the same thing to all 3 legs if needed. All right, so now for the ring light, you just screw it on. There's no mistake in there. You connect the male and female ends. Same exact thing for the phone holder. So like I mentioned before, there are 2 phone holders. The first one you would screw right in the center of the ring light, and that's the one that I use mostly. So you'll see me use that one in the video today. So you screw it right into the center of the ring light. That's going to give you the best illumination, especially if you're filming nail videos such as myself. So that is the first one. And you guys, I cannot wait to use it. I cannot wait. I love it. I love it. I love it. So you thought this thing was done growing. Nope. Look at this. Look at that neck. Look at the stretch though. Come on. So the neck, I elongated the neck so that I have somewhere to clamp on my other phone holder. So if you did not want to place your phone right in the center of the ring light for whatever reason, then you could place it on the shaft of the tripod. So you would just clip it on just like that. I'm giving you guys a close up, but it's so simple, you guys. Once you place the phone holder on the shaft of the tripod, you flip it over and clamp it down in place. That's going to give it a nice, secure hold so your phone won't be sliding all over the place. So that is that, you guys. I think it's super dope that this tripod and ring light came with 2 phone holders. I think that's absolutely dope. So this is what it looks like full out because I can't fit it in my screen, but you got the tripod, you got the ring light, and let's not forget about that cute little remote. So now let's put it to the test because it's adorable, right? But will it work? All right, y'all. So here we go. Here's the control and the piece that I'm going to plug up. So wish me luck, you guys. Wish me luck. I went ahead and plugged that into the outlet, and let's just turn her on. What? Yes, you guys. Yes, you guys. She is bright, honey. She is bright. So I'm just switching through all 3 different colors because as they advertise, you get 3 different light settings. So I'm just flipping through all of the light settings so that you guys can see what you got to work with if you get this lamp. Now, the next thing that I want to look at is how bright or how dim that we can go with this lamp as well. So now I'm just going up, 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 and down, down, down. Whoop, whoop. All right, you guys, so far so good. Let's talk about my YouTube setup, right? That's what you guys want to know. How do you set up for a YouTube video? All right, so let's pretend that I was doing a video with these items, right? So I have my tripod, I have my good lighting, and I have the products that I want to make a video with. So far, we're on the right track. All right, so we have the tripod, we have the ring light, we have the items that we're going to film. We are ready to make this video, right? So now, the main thing that you want to focus on at this point is keeping everything center. Keep everything in the center field of vision for your phone or your camera. Whatever you're recording on, make sure the items stay in the center. So by using the phone holder that falls in the center of the ring light, I feel like that is setting you up for the best outcome, for the best overall project, right? So now what if you have a problem? Oh my gosh. All right, guys, so let's say that your phone is too heavy. This has happened to me before. The phone goes into the phone holder and it's so heavy that boop, the whole thing falls over. What do you do then? A really easy fix is to adjust the legs, okay? So if you notice, I have the back leg down in the lowest position, and then I have the 2 front legs a little bit elevated. That's giving me a counterbalance, and it's allowing the phone to stay in place and allowing the tripod stability, and nothing is tipping over. You guys, that seems so basic and so self-evident, but it took me a while to figure it out. So if I was able to help any of you guys with that tip, well, you're welcome. You're welcome. All right, don't forget to check out my description box. I will leave the link and the coupon code for this ring light. All right. And if you are very serious about starting a YouTube channel and you still need help with your YouTube channel, visit my website. The link to my website will be in the description box. Set up a one-on-one with me. I can help you with your thumbnail. I can help you edit. I can help you with your voiceover. Whatever you're looking for, set up the one-on-one. Let me know what you need and we'll take it from there. That's a wrap, guys. I love you guys so much. Thanks for rocking with me till the end, and I'll see you next time. Bye.